Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to create bookmarks in PDF automatically. So the first step that we are going to do is open our Word, and here in our Word we're going to open the file. Say this one for example. Now the first thing that we are going to do is basically just give this one like one space here at the top. The reason why we are doing that is because this is where we are going to put our table of contents. Now it is very important for us to have table of contents. Now another thing is this one right here. We're going to turn this one into a heading. There you go. And then if you have subheading, you're going to turn it into heading 2. Say this one here, for example, we're going to turn this into heading 1. And then here, we're going to turn this into heading 2. Just like so. The same thing here. Heading 2. Heading 2. Same thing here. And down below. There you go. So now that we have turned that into specific heading and heading 2, we're going to go ahead and create our own table of contents. So go to the topmost corner, and here you're going to click the references. Now you have here table of contents, so go ahead and click this one right here, and then choose how you'd like to look at your table of contents. I'm just going to go ahead and try to use, say, automatic table 2. I'm going to click this, and now we have our own table of contents. Now from this point forward, the next thing that we are going to do is save this one as PDF. We're going to do that. Click this one right here. And yep, I'm just going to go ahead and hit more options because I'm also going to try to save this, say for example, to the desktop. Now here in the desktop, I'm going to save it again as table of contents, and then I'm going to open the options. Now here in the options, you have one here that says create bookmarks using. I'm going to click this, and I'm going to choose headings. After doing so, click OK, and then we're going to save this one. Alright, now that it is open, here is how it looks right now. So as you can see, we have here the heading 2, same thing here, and we have here the heading 1. Another one is heading 1, and you have your table of contents. Now as you can see, I can click them, right? So say for example, if I were to click this one right here, again, this is heading 2, and this is in page 3. There you go. So now we are in here. We are now at page 3. Now let's go back there at the top. And we'll try this one, regular exercise, and there it is. So yep, that is how you are going to do it. Congratulations everybody. Now you know how to get this done. Should you wish to see more of these videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below.